Active brokers or eToro, which is better in 2026. Both are powerful investing platforms, but they're built for completely different types of investors. And choosing the wrong one could mean either overpaying for simplicity or getting overwhelmed by complexity. First, let's talk about eToro. eToro is designed for beginners and social investors. It offers stocks, ETFs, crypto, and CFDs. And its standout features is Copy Trader, which lets you allow or follow and automatically copy experienced investors. The platform is simple, visual, and easy to use, making it great for people just starting out. Now, let's look at Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is a professional grade trading platform built for serious investors and traders. It offers access to global markets, advanced order types, powerful research tools, options trading, features, forex, and institutional level features. The biggest difference is simplicity versus power. So which one is better? If you're a beginner who wants an easy platform and copy trading features, eToro is the better choice. If you're an advanced investor or active trader who wants maximum control and global market access, Interactive Brokers is the stronger option. For most beginners, eToro feels easier to start with, while Interactive Brokers is built for serious long-term and professional investors. Interactive Brokers versus eToro. Now you know which platform fits your investing style in 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing comparisons just like this.